Hey, 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 I know my real can't compare.
Beautiful people, it's a girl needs to be TV, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm in the bathroom. I'm going to be doing my hair, but before I tell you what style I'm going to be doing, this channel is about my life. I'm going to be singing, I'm going to be doing hair tutorials, maybe some DIYs, maybe pranks and all kind of things. So if you want to stick around and go on this journey with me about my life, well, continue watching and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a style which I'm going to be showing the picture now. Yeah, so I'm fixing my hair to go to work. Yes, this is my babies. Yes, I have them for almost 4 years. Well, February the 19th of this month is going to make it 4 years that I have these beautiful, luscious, troublesome sometimes locks, but I love them. So yeah, all right, so if you want to do this style, you're going to need your own little spray bottle with some water and oil. Yeah, this is just water and castor oil in this, and in this bottle is rose water. I made my own rose water, but I'll show you how to make it in the next video. So it's rose water and castor oil. You need some this, and you're gonna need some earpins. Yep, earpins. Put my hair with some rose water, not a lot, just a little bit. If you have any suggestion of oils that will make my hair smell really good, I'll appreciate it. And for any oils that you think that will actually leave a long-lasting moisture to my hair, please leave it in the comments below. Brush right now. So I think I'm gonna do this section, just leave this out. So yeah, this is one of my locks that popped. So I'm just gonna spread them all around to make it even so I can put it in a bun. So as you're bringing your locks around to make a ball, you just tuck your locks under, because we want these babies to be looking neat. I'm going to pin these in place so these can stay. My locks were shorter, it was a struggle. Even now it's still a struggle still to just do these buns, but it's much better. I get more length to work with. Even though sometimes I kind of miss my short babies, my short locks. sometimes. Just gonna tie this up, and when I'm ready to go, I'll show you the finished results. Just have to move it up and do your own little thing. And make sure you use a lot of bobby pins, especially for the unruly locks. Then we just want to fall over the place. Yeah. Top. I hope that you like this cute little tutorial. I love it, but you can just do what you prefer to do. Just do you, add your own little flavors to it. Yeah, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope that you like it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, have a blessed day. Mwah!